Hello everyone. So Microsoft has stopped the deployment of the Windows 11 update KB5079391 just days after its release, adding another stumble as the company prepares the April 2026 rollout. So the update was released on March 26 as an optional non-security preview designed to test the fixes before they shipped more broadly next month. However, reports of installation failures quickly surfaced, forcing Microsoft to quietly remove the update from Windows Update. The issue was limited in scope. Systems attempting to install the update fell with the error 0x873712, so the update never completed. However, computers continued to run normally with no impact beyond the failed installation. This mainly affected users who actively opted in to install early updates, meaning that most people never encountered any issues. However, the fact that it made it to the public preview stage has raised questions about Microsoft testing pipeline. The root of the cause hasn't been confirmed, but this type of error usually points to a problem with the update package or missing components during installation. The company has now pulled the update entirely while it works on a fix. The company is expected to either reissue the update or roll out the components during the April Patch Tuesday release instead. However, according to other reports, the company is also expected to roll out the update KB5086672 or Bill 26200.8117 as another out-of-band update to resolve the issue, but we're not sure when that update is going to come out. If you want to avoid situations like this, it is still best to skip preview updates on your main computer. I have already published a set of instructions that explains how to protect your computer from buggy updates. That includes practical steps to delay risky releases and keep your computer stable. In the end, the update did not cause major damage, but it didn't need to. The bigger issue is perception, and right now every pulled update adds the growing skepticism around Windows 11 updates. Now, let me know if you encounter any issue installing the update KB5079391. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.